Click Settings and turn on Wi-Fi connection. Here is an example of a network called SCAL-J. Enter the password. When the machine is connected to the network, it will automatically detect the firmware update. Click to confirm. Check for updates and click to update. Wait for the update to finish. Newly added languages: Turkish, Czech, Polish, Filipino, and Indonesian. Click on Algo Type. Double-click on the input area and enter the text content you want to engrave. The keyboard interface has been updated. Click Next. Set the engraving parameters. Drag the picture to the engraving area. Start engraving. Click on Algo Sketch. Click the pencil. Select the appropriate stroke thickness and use the stylus to start drawing. Click the eraser. Select the appropriate eraser size and use the stylus to make corrections. Click Gives to proceed to the parameters page. Set the engraving parameters. Start engraving.